Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some amazing, delicious Jamaican dumplings. If you guys have never had these dumplings before, I hope this video inspires you to make them. All right, they're just easy and simple to make. You can eat them with saltfish, you can eat them with callaloo, spinach, however you want to eat this with ackee and saltfish, your choice. If you guys are new here, are watching this video for the first time, or watching my channel for the first time, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share. I appreciate you guys. Let's jump right into this video. So here we'll be adding all of our dry ingredients together and we'll be sifting, all right, because we want the flour to be really nice and light. And then we are going to whisk, then go in with some salted butter. When it looks like fine breadcrumbs, we're going in with some chilled butter and form a dough. It's going to be sticky though, so please do not add any more flour here. We're gonna let this sit for about 2 hours. Then we're gonna flour a nice clean surface and we're gonna cut this dough into little pieces. Now you decide how big or how small you want to have your dumplings. All right, then you're going to roll them out into a little balls, nice and smooth. Then you are going to press the center of the little dough balls, just like what I'm doing here. This actually ensures that the center of these dumplings are cooked, because it's going to be cooked on really low heat and the oil is not going to be really hot at first. You want the oil to soak in and cook the center. You do not want to have a raw center and a crispy exterior. So when it looks like this and it's float to the top, make sure to turn it around so it can achieve that really nice golden crunchy exterior. Then you're going to remove and set on on paper towel, just to look at that, guys. Oh my god, just to remove all the excess oil. All right, so let me know in the comment section, guys, if you like this video, where you're watching this video from, and how you like to eat your Jamaican fried dumplings. All right, this was absolutely delicious. Thank you guys for spending the time with me today. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share. Love you guys, and see y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.